Sceptre monitors use an on-screen display menu system for brightness adjustments. Here's the complete step-by-step process to adjust your monitor's brightness. Step 1. Press the menu button on your monitor. This button is typically located on the bottom or side of your monitor, often among other control buttons. Step 2. Use the directional buttons, usually marked with arrows or plus and minus signs, to navigate to the brightness or picture settings in the menu. Step 3. Once you've selected the brightness option, use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the brightness level to your preference. Step 4. Press the menu button again or wait for the menu to automatically exit. Your brightness settings will be saved automatically. Many Sceptre monitors also feature dedicated brightness buttons for quick access. These are often marked with sun icons and allow you to adjust brightness without entering the full menu system. This completes the brightness adjustment process for your Sceptre monitor. Whether using the full menu system or quick access buttons, you now have the tools to optimize your display brightness for any lighting condition. Different usage scenarios require different optimal brightness settings for the best viewing experience and eye health. For general computer use in normal lighting, set brightness between 40 and 60%. Gamers should use 50 to 70% for better visibility in dark game scenes. Professional users should keep brightness lower, between 25 and 40%, to reduce eye strain during extended work sessions. In dark environments, use only 20 to 30% to prevent eye fatigue. Now let's address common brightness adjustment problems and their solutions. If your brightness appears stuck at maximum even when the OSD shows a lower setting, perform a factory reset through the menu system. When monitor buttons become unresponsive, try power cycling the monitor or check if a button lock feature has been accidentally activated. As an alternative to monitor controls, you can adjust brightness through your graphics card software. This method works even when monitor buttons are unresponsive. These software solutions provide precise brightness control and often include additional display optimization features for enhanced viewing experience.